Hi everyone and welcome. I'm Andrew, your instructor for week 2 of the Introduction to HTML and CSS course. In this module we're going to cover global and non-global attributes and how to use them, paying close attention to the commonly used ones such as ID and class. In addition, you'll learn about the importance of separating content and style in HTML5, as well as look at the difference between semantic and style tags. We'll study semantic elements, why they're important, as well as look at their usage in various examples. Now in the second half, we'll cover how to add images to your HTML, and I think you'll agree images make everything more interesting. We'll learn how to use the image tag and its attributes, and we'll also look at scenarios where it's more appropriate to add images using CSS instead. Finally, we'll learn how to add hyperlinks to your web page and their different uses. At the end of each subsection, you'll be able to do exercises based on what you've learned and test your knowledge by doing a quiz. So we hope you enjoy the course and happy learning.